What's up, peoples? It's the Forex Prince James here, back at it with another one. Look, man. I'm tired of telling y'all that I have cracked the code, baby. Hold on, let me get my cash. Let me get my cash. Take my cash. Take my cash. Hold up. You see it. You see it. Sniper entry at the top. Let me check the fit. Let me confirm with the 15 still going down. All right. Checking with the top. Cool. Cool. If that hit $8, I take profits. That thing hit 776. Cool. All right. So I'll show you the setup and how I did this. Right. Put my bar up here. Whenever it hit any of these ranges, you put a sell, all right, and you watch it come down. And if you put all the placements, it came down and it would have rolled till about here ish, all right. And that's great. It actually came down further than that, but we would have probably got out somewhere in this area and we'd have took profits like I just did. So let me show y'all another position. Like I said, I took up here. I literally took up here at the top of this bad boy. You can see it says 7 hours at 122. Let me see, 1.122. What is it? 122, 122.43. 122.43. I had it right in this area. Caught it right in here, right? Right in here. Caught it right at the top there, at the 75 mark. And I just let that thing come down, man. And boom, you see it. You see it. I had profits all yesterday, Then I withdrew $22.50. And then I just turned around just now and made $7.76. It's so easy for me. But let me tell you why it's so easy for me, all right? I have the formula set up to catch everything, all right? But what's more importantly is when it gets up into these ranges and come back down, I got alerts hitting my phone letting me know that it broke up and to catch the rest of it. Alright? Got them alerts. And the alerts start off with, hold up. Go. Trading View. I got the pro account on the Trading View, and it comes with the alerts. It comes with 10 alerts. Alright, so I put 10 alerts at my hot zone levels. I put 10 alerts. I put alerts at my hot zone levels. So when it crosses these and come back down, we put our sells in our buys. And then we just take profits, man. We just take profits. Shit's on automatic now, guys. Shit's on automatic now. We gonna make this profit. Like I said, we just take profits. It came down to the bottom of this bar and it sat there. If once it crossed and it act like it starts to want to come back up around 13ish, 14ish, around 13ish, 14ish, 15ish, I'm gonna put it at 16. Let me go adjust my alerts to do 16. Come in here, edit, adjust my alerts. I want this to be 16, and that's set to 16. Boom. There we go. And then we got on here, I want it to come down when it crossed the 80 mark. I'm just showing y'all my alert is. If it crossed down past 80 and keeps going down, that's when we put our trades in. Alright? Let me hit it. Yeah, it didn't save, so let me get it to save. 80, save. I don't know why it's not going. edit. For a minute, down under 14. $80.00. Put that. Boom. When it break them levels, boy, it went back up. Why it go back up? It's cool. It's cool. That's a perfect level anyway. So when it come back down, we take profits. You feel me? It fell more than that, but it's cool because I just made $16. I just made $7. I had 22. You know, let's see. Let's add this. 22. It was, let me minus 776 from 1819. Boom. Boom. 18.19 minus $7.76. Poof. Definitely wasn't that. Poof. Yeah, $7.76. So yeah. Where's the calculator? I was at $10 after that. You know, now I'm at 16. It was really 9 something. I don't know why it's showing me all that, but it was really 9 something. See, but I'm straight. I'm straight now, man. I got the code. I got the juice. I got it broken up like that. That's what it's gonna do. Um, quick video on how I show you how I do everything. On the 5-minute chart, it do about 110 pips movement up and down. So we times that by my standard lot, and that's my target take profit. Watching it. When they get it into the $8 range, I pull out. Now on the 15-minute chart, sometimes it does anywhere, the lowest being 200. So times that by my standard lot would have been $16. I'd have made that off 200 position movements. And if you don't believe me, let's go back in here and let's do this. From here to about here is 100 lot difference. Then when we come here, all right, up here, that's 280. Down here, it came down a little bit of a little bit over 160, 170. So it would have been, let's say it's 150 times 0.08. I'd have made $12 off the 15-minute chart. Just putting them. See, I could put a whole bunch of these positions because I got the dollar amount and I could just let it rack up. So let's say I would have had 100. It just had 100, right? And I had $9. I could have broke the $9 up into 2.8s maybe. Would have been 100 times 0.08, which would have been $8 times 2, which would have been $16 I'd have made in a matter of 5 minutes, right? And I keep doing that over and over and over again. We're on the 15-minute chart. It's not going to cross for a very long time, but it's cool. We're on the 5-minute chart, and when it crosses back up past 16, we'll put it by, and we'll rack up all these, what's called this. Well, I hope that y'all liked the video. This was more than enough. Just using this as a reference to show to myself that I actually freaking cracked the code, man. I am the Da Vinci's Code. I am the Rubik's Cube. Until next time, you guys, stay tuned.